1. Go to account.kommunitas.net. 2. Connect your wallet. 3. Kommunitas Account will give you a helicopter view of all of your token and crypto assets in your wallet, as well as your details on the Kommunitas platform, such as staking and launchpad details. You can also see the transaction history in the Kommunitas platform, such as airdrop, event, refund, and others. You can click on the button to filter the transaction based on the transaction that you wanted to see. 4. In the Assets tab, you can see all the crypto assets that you have in your wallet. 5. In the Staking tab, you can see the amount staked in each staking version, Com Staking V1, V2, V3, as well as Arbitrum V3. 6. In the Launchpad tab, you can see the upcoming project and your portfolio. You can also see the details of the project that you have invested in. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on all notification, leave a like, share, and comment what tutorial should we do next.